Welcome to Real Estate Heat TV. This is Anthony Legins, Real Estate Culture Mentor. Today, I'm bringing you my good friend and real estate investor, Mr. Joe McNair. He is a local real estate investor. He has 2 local real estate investment companies. He's a musical genius, in my opinion. He makes some great music, folks. You probably gonna want to definitely check him out. But go ahead, Joe. Go on and introduce yourself, my brother.
Hello, everyone. I just want to thank Anthony Legins for allowing me to speak on this program, the Heat TV, and
Real estate heat,
let you
baby.
guys real estate heat. That's what's up. Yep.